Hi, welcome to Oz channel spelled AAW, and today we'll be unboxing Series 4. I really hope I get a frozen moment or a gold. This would be pretty exciting if I do. So, okay, so here we go. Let's open the first one. It's a Revlon makeup! Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, my mistake. Go. 2, 1. We got a Morning Star. It's a duplicate, but I really like that one, so. I got another one of these, which is fine. It's organic raisins. No, it's regular raisins, but it's okay. 2, 1. Okay, let's. Our last one will be. Let's see. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I got a frozen moment. Oh my goodness! I got a frozen moment. It's the Pringles. Oh my goodness! This makes me really happy. I got a Pringle frozen moment. Well, that's the end of the video, you guys. I'm really happy I got a frozen moment. This makes me so happy. And hope you like the video. Comment, subscribe, put on that notification bell, and have a awesome Pringle day.